Learn the advantages of kiwi fruit and its significance against dengue. Another name for dengue fever is breakbone fever. High temperature, severe bodily discomfort, headache, appetite loss, occasionally stomach pain, nausea, and vomiting are all symptoms of this fever. Patients with dengue shock syndrome may bleed as a result of low platelets and low blood pressure. Kiwi is excellent for preventing dengue. A great accompaniment to strawberries, melons, and bananas is the kiwi, a green fruit with tiny black seeds and an intriguing flavor. As a superfood, kiwi is high in fiber and packed with both soluble and insoluble minerals. Kiwi has many benefits. 1. Excellent for dengue. As boosting platelets is essential during dengue, kiwi is a winner for the season. In addition to being high in vitamin C, it promotes enhanced platelet function and adhesion. It's very easy to digest kiwi. In addition, it is a good source of potassium, an antioxidant and electrolyte balancer. It is the perfect food to eat at this time because of all of these. Vitamin C also contains vitamin B9, folate, which can help improve blood platelet counts, and helps us absorb iron from diet more effectively. 2. Great against flu. Vitamin C is abundant in kiwis. You can practically meet your daily vitamin C needs with the help of this fruit. A healthy immune system depends on antibodies that are functioning properly, which is supported by vitamin C. Aside from this, eating kiwi can lift our spirits since vitamin C is required for the synthesis of serotonin. 3. It contains several antioxidants. The kiwi fruit has a lot of bioactive substances with antioxidant properties. Kiwi aids in the body's defense against free radicals, damaging substances produced by the body as a result of stress, an unhealthy lifestyle, and junk food. 4. Improves skin condition. For skin to look its best, the body needs to have a healthy pH balance. Natural alkalinity in kiwis can help balance out acidic foods. Additionally, the vitamin C in kiwis is necessary for the skin's creation of collagen, a substance that supports the skin, muscles, bones, and tendons. A kiwi a day keeps the skin doctor away. Now, let's look at kiwi's role in preventing dengue. Kiwi can reduce muscle aches and strengthen the immune system, which is essential during dengue. According to reports, eating kiwi fruit and carica papaya together helps lessen dengue fever-related muscle aches and skin rashes. Dengue sufferers should increase their liquid intake in the form of fresh fruit juices, such as those from kiwi, dragon fruit, guava, watermelon, and other fruits high in vitamin C, to boost lymphocyte production and fortify the body's immune system. Kiwi is a good source of fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins E, K, and A. Our body needs these nutrients to function properly. Additionally, kiwi promotes heart health and electrolyte balance in the body. Kiwi can be ate in many different ways. Smoothie is one of them. Check out the link in the description for a smoothie program that suits you. Kiwi increases immunity and aids in the development of red blood cells. Kiwi is very helpful during dengue. If you love this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.